So in case you've added the video capture device or macOS screen capture to OBS Studio, and for some reason OBS is refusing to record your screen of your MacBook, then here's what to do. You go to Settings. Under Settings, go to the left-hand side and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Click on that. Under Privacy and Security, you want to scroll and find Screen and System Audio Recording. You want to click on that and make sure you allow OBS to record your screen. You might need to put in your password. You can go ahead and do that. And then you'll need to quit and reopen OBS Studio. So click on that. That's going to restart OBS Studio now with permission to record your screen. So let's just wait for OBS. So let's just go ahead and launch it. And as you can see, now it allows, or rather it captures our screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.